How to repost threads on Instagram threads, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to repost it. It's easy. All you have to do first, just open Instagram threads. Now just select any thread that you want to repost, and you will see this icon here. Click on it and click repost. And now let's go back to our profile. As you see, now this thread is reposted on our account, and you can remove it whenever you want, and that's it. Now as you see, you can repost any thread just by clicking this one and repost. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.